don't worry, the EZF is secured. It won't go anywhere.
Oh, I know.
A couple more weights inside of the cinder block.
You're so cute. Watch your hammers. Ooh, that is red hot. That was in there the whole time, huh? Watch out, guys. Got a hammer in it. Hammering it, baby. What is that? Your water and cool it down?
Yeah, but that's later.
Ah.
Not time for that yet.
We're making knives. That's so good. Jeez.
Much straighter now.
Yeah, put it back in the fire?
Yep.
Back in the fire now. So we need to get you a drill or a file or that thing that a round thing, huh?
What would be optimal would be the grinding wheel,
Grinding wheel, that's it.
a belt, and a disc sander,
Okay.
and a drill press.
Okay. So those three things.
But I mean, Dale has all that at his house actually.
Did he told you that too?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
plus I've seen the drill press over there.
Oh.
I don't need a drill press for this particular piece. But
Yeah. But if you want to go just do that thing down.
For putting like different like wood or bone
Yeah.
handles on it, I
Yeah.
need to drill holes
That kind of thing.
with the handle piece.
Yeah.
That's what you would need a drill press for. But for a grinding wheel and stuff, it's to do what I did today without using all the muscle work on the files. But I kind of like doing that. It was fun.